Fleet maintenance is one of the critical roles of our city. Don't take it lightly, Jack. There's a lot riding on it. Wipe on, wipe off, wipe on.
Hey, Jack. Jack, you okay? It's like you were locked in Mortal Kombat with Mr. Miyagi or something.
Yeah, I'm fine. My boss just talks like a haunted TED Talk.
Well, hey, it's nice to meet you. I'm Dustin.
Jack.
Come on. All right, Jack, at this time I'd like to introduce you to a pair of our good technicians. On the left hand here we have Matt.
Hi, Jack.
Right hand we have Grayson.
Hey, Jack.
I'll leave you to it.
So, you guys are basically draining the lifeblood from this truck?
Oh yeah, you just caught us in time for doing an oil change. We usually do an oil change on these babies around 3,000, 4,000 miles, and it keeps that motor happy.
How long did it take you guys to get these mad mechanical skills? Or was it just a gene that was passed down from your family that just makes you a master of your craft?
Personally, with me, it took me a couple years to be comfortable under one of these.
Yeah, I was just born a master mechanic.
Really? Okay, so tell me about a time that someone asked for just a quick fix. And what did you do? Were you annoyed, or did you see it as more of a personal challenge?
Grayson, you got a story for this one?
Yeah, well, one time we had a fire truck that needed to be fixed that day, so we all stayed and, kind of hung out and got it done. And it took a while, but we all got it finished at the end.
Wow, that's actually really tear-jerking.
I wouldn't use that rag.
Yeah, I wouldn't use that.
Oh, tell me the city honors you somehow. Do you guys get maybe a parade?
Yeah, they're gonna chisel our faces right in the side of the city hall.
Really?
No, they're not. We're a little bit more in the background behind the curtains. I'd like to think about it as if we're the first responder, because we do this for not for the glory, but we do this for the colony.
First responder.
Hey, Jack, if I keep you under this vehicle any longer, I'm gonna have to put you on payroll. Come on, follow me, please.
You have an eye wash station?
Absolutely, this way.
Whoa. How many cruisers do you guys have here? This is like the Batcave for speeding tickets.
Well, we got about 5 or 6 that are here for PM services and other jobs, but we handle a lot more than just police cars. We've got a lot of fire trucks and ambulances and backhoes and all kinds of things. Anything that's got an engine that starts and runs, we pretty much handle those jobs.
Do you ever look at your team and be like, yeah, these are the guys I want to be with when the zombie apocalypse happens?
Absolutely. I've got 5 or 6 people. We got 6 technicians. We have an admin assistant, and we pretty much handle everything there is here. We got about 800 labor hours a month that we'll bill out and charge out for all of this stuff, and they're pretty awesome. We handle everything.
Oh, hey guys! Sorry, that just never gets old.
Jack, this is our mayor, Richard Boyer. Sir, this is Jack. He's our intern.
Welcome to the team.
Just don't leave the lights and sirens on when you get done, please.
Will do. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Do you ever look around and think, is this one even ours?
Well, no doubt about it. There's a lot to maintain out here. But the team and I here in Fleet really do enjoy what we do, and keeps the city running. Each of the assets that we maintain really do play a critical part in keeping the city up and operational.
Today I learned that fleet maintenance is not just about fixing things. It's about quietly preventing complete municipal collapse. Casual stuff. These guys keep everything moving, from police cars to lawnmowers to those weird street sweepers that look like space bugs. And they do it without asking for parades or statues, which in my opinion is a missed opportunity, but I don't know, would they have to service the parade floats as well? I get it now. These guys are the heartbeat under the hood of the colony, and I will never take them for granted again.
Synchronized gears, the watchful wrench, the spark plugs of the colony. And by the way, Jack, you missed a spot.